Welcome to Safety Mindset. In this video, we'll discuss the 3 criteria for identifying a confined space. Confined spaces pose unique challenges and hazards, but with the right knowledge and understanding, we can ensure the safety of our fellow workers.
Yes!
To effectively identify confined spaces, it's essential to understand the 3 key criteria that define them. Firstly, confined spaces must be large enough for bodily entry. This means that the space must be sufficient for an employee to enter and perform work. Examples include storage tanks, ventilation ducts, and manholes where employees can conduct maintenance or inspections. Secondly, confined spaces have limited or restricted means for entry and exit. This restriction can increase the risk for workers inside the space. Examples include spaces with small access hatches, narrow doorways, or ladders as the primary means of entry and exit, such as tanks, silos, and sewers. Lastly, confined spaces are not designed for continuous employee occupancy. They lack proper ventilation, lighting, or other amenities necessary for prolonged stays. Examples include utility closets, crawl spaces, and boiler rooms, which are accessed for specific tasks but are not suitable for long-term occupation due to their design and conditions. Let's now explore additional examples of confined spaces to further solidify our understanding. Tanks. Storage tanks used in industries such as oil and gas, chemicals, or water treatment facilities. Vessels, boilers, reactors or pressure vessels, underground structures, sewers, tunnels, and underground vaults. Aircraft cargo holds in aircraft, especially during maintenance or inspection activities. Grain silos used for storing grains or other materials. These examples illustrate the diverse range of environments that can be classified as confined spaces, emphasizing the importance of thorough identification and risk assessment to ensure worker safety. In summary, to identify confined spaces, remember the 3 criteria: large enough for bodily entry, limited or restricted means for entry and exit, and not designed for continuous employee occupancy. By understanding these criteria, we can effectively recognize confined spaces in the workplace and implement appropriate safety measures to protect employees who may need to enter them for work purposes.